So today we are comparing three hottest workflow orchestration tools developers are talking about right now, the Temporal versus Inngest versus Trigger.dev. So which one actually worth it? Let's look into it. So Temporal here is the heavyweight enterprise grade orchestration platform. It lets you write durable workflows in code that can survive crashes, retires deployments, and even multi-day executions. So think of it like a Git for long-running backend processes. Companies use it for payment systems, order processing, AI agents, and massive backend automation. The Inngest here. The Inngest is an event-driven workflow platform focused on simplicity. You write functions, events trigger them, and then scheduling, orchestration, and are all handled automatically. And Trigger.dev here is built specifically for developers who want background jobs to feel like writing normal TypeScript. You get like queues, long running tasks, real time monitoring, everything, all with very little setup. The good things with these platforms is that the pros are that for Temporal, it's ridiculously reliable and the workflows can run for days, weeks, and months without breaking. And also, the for complex orchestrations, this one dominates. This is pretty good, the Temporal, and it dominates here. And for Inngest here, and the good pros of these Inngest is that it's extremely easy to adapt and it's great for event driven apps, and the dashboard experience is clean and developer friendly. The Trigger.dev here, it's probably the best DX of the three. The writing job feels effortless and it's amazing for TypeScript teams, and you have a fast setup experience. You can easily set it up, and you have great real-time visibility like logs, runs, traces, all easy to inspect. But on the downside here, the Trigger.dev is mostly TypeScript centric and it is less enterprise proven. And Ingest here on the downside has is less powerful for deep orchestration, and the ecosystem is pretty younger. And Temporal here has some drawbacks too, like the Temporal is not beginner friendly. You have a steep learning curve, and then the infrastructure is a bit complex. So these are the things that you could keep in mind if you're using Temporal. But what I would suggest, if you're a startup or an indie hacker, choose Trigger.dev because speed matters more than orchestration theory. You'll ship faster as well. But if you're building modern event-driven SaaS apps, then choose Inngest because it hits the sweet spot between simplicity and power. But if you're building like mission critical distributed systems, then Temporal is better because it's harder, and when reliability comes non-negotiable, then Temporal is the best one for you. So the real answer is Temporal wins on power, Inngest wins on simplicity, and Trigger.dev wins on developer experience.